Hello, and welcome to the leading SAFE training session from KnowledgeHut. This program has been designed to help professionals understand more about the Scaled Agile Framework, gain the SAFE for Agilist (SA) certification, and help the Agile transition in their organizations. What is SAFE? The Scaled Agile Framework, or SAFE, is a complete methodology for large-scale Agile project teams to carry out an Agile transformation seamlessly. Applying lean Agile principles and practices across all levels within an enterprise is the first step towards such a change. The SAFE framework effortlessly synchronizes the alignment, collaboration, and delivery of multiple Agile teams, leading the way to enterprise success. The leading SAFE course brought to you by KnowledgeHut. Based on version 4.5 of SAFE, the leading SAFE workshop helps you understand the foundations of SAFE and apply it to carry out successful Agile transitions. The course covers all objectives as defined by Scaled Agile Incorporation to appear for the SAFE for Agilist certification exam. The topics are split into easily understandable modules and backed by exercises that will give participants an in-depth understanding of the subject. You will learn to explore, integrate, deploy, and release value. You will enhance your lean Agile leadership skills and ably support Agile transformations in your organization. Because of our experience in aiding organizations with Agile transformations, we have the knowledge to help you gain practical experience in SAFE. How do you get the leading SAFE certification? Successful completion of this Scaled Agile Framework training course prepares you to take the SAFE Agilist (SA) certification exam. After the training is completed, you will be allowed to take the online exam. The exam is 90 minutes long with 45 questions. The passing score is 76%. Participants will also gain professional development units on completing the course along with a year's membership with Scaled Agile. Who is this course for? This course is apt for executives and leaders, program and project managers, portfolio managers, process leads, and all others who want to use SAFE to bring about Agile transition. The course also helps enterprise system and solution architects. Why should you choose KnowledgeHut? Our training sessions are conducted by accredited SAFE trainers. Through hands-on exercises and discussions of real-time case studies, you will learn to work in complex and hybrid situations and bring about successful scaling of Agile. Along with helping you to prepare for the exam, you will also get a one-year membership with Scaled Agile Inc. and access to meetup groups. KnowledgeHut is not just about helping you get the certification, but we go beyond this and give you a foundation to further your Scrum and Agile. We support your journey to continuous excellence by giving you a roadmap to further your knowledge and expertise as Agile programmers, Agile coaches, or certified Scrum trainers. We do this by offering you various advanced trainings and programs that make you capable of expanding your career profile.